Hello, what is up everybody, RL57 here, back with yet another diecast car video, and in today's video we will be checking out the Tarmac Works Veilside Mazda RX-7 Veilside Fortune7. I've done a full review of this car in metallic yellow in the previous video, and in today's video what we're gonna do is, since I have two boxes, one is the regular metallic yellow version, the other one is actually the chase version. So I managed to get the chase version already. So without further ado, let's what we usually do, which is we're going to compare and also showcase the regular metallic yellow version and the regular chase version. The chrome chase version. So if you don't know the Tarmac Works system, usually you'd have a specific chance of basically pulling a diecast chase car from the Global 64 lineup. And what it means is, when you want to pull that chase, basically there is a chance of you pulling a chase if you buy a specific carton. I think it's 1 in 48 chance of pulling a chase piece from a carton. So what the chase looks like, the regular one would usually have a metallic paint job, where the chase version will usually have a chrome paint job of that color of the regular one. So yeah, let's go ahead and take a look. So yeah, I've showcased the car, the regular metallic yellow one, before. So, oh, that's the chase. Hold on. We'll open up the regular one first so that you guys can recall which one I'm talking about. So here it is, the metallic yellow RX-7. So if you don't know, this is an iconic RX-7 from Veilside here. And of course, if you don't know, this car is actually Veilside modified body kit, which was actually featured in the Fast and Furious movie, but instead of being in metallic yellow, it's actually metallic orange. And in fact, of course, this was driven by Han or Song Kang over in Fast and Furious in orange, of course. Tarmac hasn't decided to release the orange one yet, but so far we already have the metallic yellow one right here, which I've done a full review on before. So that's the metallic yellow one. Let's take a look at our chase model next. So the chase one is the same, but in chrome yellow. Some of you may prefer to call it sort of like a gold chrome paint job. I can say that, kind of. So yeah, it is supposed to be chrome yellow here, but maybe some of you will call it a chrome gold color. I would say it's a very nice looking color here. So yeah, it's fully chrome except for the black parts, the black metallic parts here and there. Also, except for the side mirrors on this one, it is actually in yellow, which is following the regular version, since they cannot really replicate the gold over on the side mirrors, of course, since it is plastic, or at least rubber sometimes. So yeah, they cannot really make it into a chrome color, which is fine. But yeah, here is the chrome yellow or chrome gold RX-7 Veilside Fortune7, that's what they call it. Looking really good. Let's actually put it on the turntable, but before that, I'm gonna put the box. There. So, of course, recently Tarmac has reintroduced chrome chase cars back into Tarmac Works after a few years, because of course the past while we've been wrong version. We'll put the chase version on the turntable. Of course, we've seen the previous Tarmac Works chase cars, where they're usually in that sort of raw metal paint job, which basically there's no paint, just a simple coating. It looks great and all, but still not really many people's cup of tea. But still, if you are lucky, you may pull a chase. If you're not, well, you're stuck with the regular one as usual. Like I said, there is a specific probability for you to pull a chase piece, such as the one right here. So they've reintroduced the chase cars in chrome. Now, of course, it makes no difference to the chase system. Of course, there is still a chance for you to pull it. There is still a chance for you to pull the regular one, of course. But most of the time, I think you still pull the regular one, indeed. But yeah, looking really good here. Chrome yellow, or some people may call it chrome gold. It looks good, really nice. We've seen this car, of course, release this in this color, of course, as the first color, and then the next color would be in chrome gray, or sorry, metallic gray. But the chase for that one is actually in chrome gray, so I don't know whether I'm able to get that one or not. But still, for this one, on the other hand, it's really spot on. I really like the chase version on this one, compared to the previous chase car that I've reviewed, which was the Veilside Z, which was in chrome orange. Now we're looking at something that close enough almost looks like in chrome gold, which to be fair, it looks really nice. Of course, to replace that metallic yellow we've seen previously. So yeah, let's take a close look. But yeah, like I said, nevertheless, it's not any different to the metallic yellow one. Just the paint makes it different. So I'm not going to take too long on this one. So we're just going to show it here. So here is the car in chrome yellow mostly. So you do have some black bits here and there. You have the yellow side mirror like I mentioned earlier. Well, yeah. Gray 5-spoke rims with the silver outline right there. Then you do have your plastic transparent headlights right there with the Veilside logo. Of course, you do have a massive black big stripe over on the hood with some vents right here. You do have your interior right there colored in black, right-hand drive, Veilside logo with the black roof. Well, here's the other side. Like I said, pretty much the same thing. So yeah, you do have your rear windows right there as well, your rear spoiler right here, your brake lights, rear lights, and also your Veilside logo right there, which is cool. So the one on the left is the chrome chase, the one on the right is the regular metallic one. So like I mentioned, yeah, the only difference is of course the paint job. You guys decide which one's your favorite. I believe many of you will vote the chrome yellow version, which I must say looks really, really good. Great to see Tarmac now releasing a chrome chase car instead of yellow, regular metallic raw body paint job. So there you go, comparison between the metallic yellow RX-7 Veilside Fortune7 and the chrome chase version of the car. Stunning pair. Of course, one in metallic yellow, one in chrome yellow. So if you do manage to pull the one that is in chrome, then lucky for you, you have owned a chase RX-7 Veilside car. which is extremely rare. I don't know how many of these chase models have been produced, but still it is indeed really rare compared to the regular one, of course. And by the way, these are not mass production models, although they are produced for anyone to purchase, but they are not mass production. Basically, they are also limited production actually. So yeah, there you go. That is my review of the Mazda RX-7 Veilside Fortune7 made by Tarmac Works and Veilside. Let me know what you think down in the comment section down below. Which one's your favorite, chrome or regular metallic? But yeah, once again, I'd like to say thank you guys for watching. See my other videos. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe as always, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See you soon. Bye bye.